The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Lake Carl Blackwell, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Perry, Morrison, Glencoe, Lake Carl Blackwell, and Lake McMurtry. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.